So since I'm unboxing do another unboxing video, this is still for 4th grade and accredited, and it actually came with another box of items, and I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So this is for another 4th grade curriculum, and we'll check what's inside. I have a lot of books for the 4th grade, so I'm gonna link in the description the first part of this, the 4th grade books. Apparently there's more books to read. So this is the first book that it came with: Speed and Comprehension Readers, Adventures in Other Lands, Test Key, Understanding God's Word. So these are all test keys. So the other part was workbooks, and these are all test keys. History of the United States, test key. Why is there two? I'm not sure what the difference is. Student quizzes. Oh, quizzes and tests, and this is the key. Okay, so these are the tests and the keys. Arithmetic for speed drills. And these are the keys. And then we got spelling and vocabulary test key. Spelling and vocabulary test. Writing with purpose, penmanship, and creative writing. So, God's gift of language, quizzes and tests. And this is the test key, and this is the test. The matte kind of cover is the test, and the glossy one is the test key. And this is the grade 4 homeschool video manual. So as you can see, that is really thick, and there is so much books. So this is the part 2. I'm surprised there is more books, but it's a good thing, I guess. So here's the grade 4 independent study test kit. So I went with the quizzes and tests really quick because we still have another box again to unbox, and this is the other part. This is Understanding God's World answer test key. We got some art. I bought this separately, and art. This is the art for 4th graders. And then we got reading and comprehension skill sheets. And we got my state notebook. So it's gonna really take a long time to organize all this. And then we got reading for answer key. This one is bound, has a spiral bound. And then we got reading comprehension for skill sheets. So that one is kind of related. This is the skill sheets, and this is the parents' skill sheets. So, and we got Understanding God's World, STEM activities, teacher key. So they really give you everything you need to get started. And we got the God's Gift of Language, Grammar, Handwriting, Word Text. So this has parts of speech, capitalization, punctuation. So let's get that. And arithmetic, word text. Arithmetic for word text. So this is the teacher's key. Alright, so that is the third box I have for the 4th grade. We actually really have a lot of books for the 4th grade. So that sums up our unboxing for today. I hope this video gives you an idea on what the kits are for getting an accredited Abeka Academy. So you can check out my channel, Coastal Craft Phil M, for unboxing for the 4th grade, 2nd grade, and K4. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.